So today we're doing legs, big leg day. Say hi, Luis.
Hi.
Starting off with a little seated calf raise with leg curls. Let's get it. All right, so just finished up leg curls and calf raises. We're gonna do some leg extensions now.
Yeah. Contract that thing.
We'll superset it with a little leg curls. All right, so we just finished leg extensions, killing them with seated leg curls. Now we're gonna do some barbell walking lunges. Luis's lower back is kind of feeling fucked up today, so we're doing a little, we're not gonna do squats today, so we're gonna do these little high squats. You tell me how it feels. He gets to push up against the padding to eliminate pressure from his lower back.
Oh yeah.
Feels better? Good shit. Look at those legs though. Damn it, boy. Damn it, boy. Big legs.